All right. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Uh, First things first, we are going to look at the news. First things first. All right. Let me close that. Forex. Here we go. Oops. I came out on the wrong screen. Close Tradeify. All right. That was yesterday. Today. Oh, we had a red folder yesterday, but since the government has a partial shutdown, we're not getting that economic news of that red folder. So it's been taken out, and now there's no red folder. So how about them apples? Okay, let's look at the whole week. Hold up. That might have changed the whole week. Yeah, looks like they took a red folder out of here. I forgot what it even was. You can look at the video from yesterday because I had it there. So yeah, as you can see here, U.S. government data may be impacted by the shutdown. There it is. All right, so we just got to be high risk. Okay, news could change quick. Um, Let me see here. Hope you guys got your coffee. Good morning, everyone. Don't forget to put in the chat if you have any questions about anything. Don't forget to hit the like button so I can keep growing this channel, keep helping people out with trading. Oh, I got my coffee. Want to look for a banger today or what? Like yesterday? In less than 10 minutes or what? All right, so let's see. Let's look at the market. All right. This is a little bigger. ATR is at currently 15.27 on the 5-minute time frame. This is all of London session, this little yellow piece right here. It looks like we're inside an orb from a couple weeks ago. I'm going to erase that. Erase all these lines that were from previous highs and lows to not get confused. All right. So looking at, we got EMA 200 down here. We got an imbalance down here on the 5-minute, imbalance here on the 1 hour. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark the bottom of the London low. It's a pretty key level here. We're going to do the ray. All right, so bottom of London low is 25,923 on the NASDAQ. 25,923. You're going to mark a line. That's the London low. And then let's see over here, another key level. So the market opened. Looks like Asia low. Asia low is around here. So let me mark that. This is Asia low right here. When it opened, that was the lowest point. And that's 25,865. 25,865.75. That's the Asia low, more or less. Let's see. And we're gonna put the London highs because it looks like London did take Asia, so we'll put London here. Close enough. Yeah. All right. So London high. Sorry. London high is at 26,000, 23.75. So mark that line. So I'm gonna just go over it. We got 26,023 London high. We got 25,923 London low. We got 25,865.75 at the Asia low. All right, guys. Uh, now, what are some areas of interest that the market might want to go in? So it looks like it still hasn't filled this imbalance on the 1 hour time frame, the 60-minute 1 hour time frame. You might want to fill that today, I think. I think possibly it comes down and doesn't, but the reason why I think it's gonna has more chances of filling this one is because all the EMAs, super trend, EMA 50, EMA 200, they're all under. So the direction is obviously bullish. It wants to go up. Uh, let's see. Let's see. Let me make a little post. Wake some people up because people are not moving. They're like the iguanas. They're completely frozen over here in Miami. um, uh, hold up. Here we are, live. Make sure you get your coffee, your little breakfast, whatever it is. We still got a little time. Market opens at 9:30 New York time. I've already marked the London high, London low, and the Asia low. All right. What we're looking for, I think, sort of, is that it's going to come fill this imbalance. Or it could dip down and fill these imbalances. We don't know exactly yet, but we're going to react to the market. We're not going to predict, even though we set slight predictions, but we we perform on what it shows us. Um, so yeah. Mm, 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 mm. All right. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Thank you for tuning in for the second day of this month. Thank you for tuning in with Trading with David 305. And we're trading the NASDAQ today and almost every day because that's what I am good at, trading the NASDAQ. All the other ones, they don't move as nice or as violent sometimes. And I'm eating a bagel. All right. I know I should not be eating this in the morning, but I'm hungry, man. All right. So what are we looking at? What are we looking at? We got about 20 more minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens. We have this imbalance on the 1 hour, an imbalance down here. We are above the EMAs. We're going to see how it reacts when the market opens. It could sweep, maybe tap here, and then come up, or it could rip right up. We're going to find out what it does. We're going to set the opening range, which is the first 15 minutes. And then we're going to wait for a breakout. It's pretty much that simple. We're going to make sure that all the time frames are aligned. I'm going to make sure at least. And then I'll take a trade or not. We'll look at the ATR, see how risky everything is, how big the swings are, and we manage risk accordingly. I haven't even logged into my other computer here, so let me just quickly do that. This is my backup for my backup. So patience, we're gonna have patience today. We gotta have patience every day. We gotta stay disciplined and only take the setup that makes sense. I am up on the week. We took a banger yesterday, so if you want to see right here, this is my trailing. Don't really need to see that. Doesn't matter. All right, so yeah, weekly 979, hit 100 on that one. We did 10 micros and 1 micro on this one. So I was risking 1,000. This one I was risking 100. I'm not gonna use this account today. I'm gonna use this one since I haven't touched it for the week, and we're gonna keep playing with this one. Obviously, we have to hit $20,000 within the month to get this evaluation funded. So I'll be trading this one. I'll probably do 5 micros today just to not lose any capital. We'll see. We'll see what the ATR is. Maybe I'll only trade that account, or maybe I'll do that one and this one and copy trade it. We'll see. Let's see what the market shows us. Let's see if it's volatile, if it's weak, whatever it is. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button so I can grow the channel. Like buttons don't pay me. They just grow the channel. All right, so let me pull up ES. I usually always have ES up on the 5-minute time frame. There we go. 5-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. Looks like ES is under VWAP, and so is NQ. So they're kind of aligned. So that's a good thing. Might be shorts today. Who knows? Who knows? Yesterday was longs. Today could be shorts. Let me look at the higher time frames. I like looking. Okay. 4-hour time frame. Currently a doji. It's currently a little cross. Let me see. I got my 15-minute over here. Going down right now. It's testing EMA 50 on the 15-minute. 4-hour. 4-hour looks kind of choppy. I mean, but it has been doing obviously a run. Has been doing this. So it's been going up. I assume if it wants to go up, it might either fill this or come down a little bit, retest here, and then go up. We shall see in the next 15 minutes. Stay tuned. Be ready. Be ready. Okay. Almost Valentine's. Y'all ready? You bought your gifts already? I'm gonna change this music. It's got me a little too much already. Hold up. Okay, my bad. I was a little loud. A little loud there. A little loud. Alrighty. What are we waiting for? We're waiting for the New York Stock Exchange to open so we could see what the hell the market wants to do. I'm gonna have it zoomed in here. We're looking at the NASDAQ. This is MNQ. We're doing micros. 10 micros is 1 mini. So you understand some sizing. Yeah, it looks like the 4-hour time frame now is going down. That has about 43 minutes until that candle closes and reopens a new candle at 10 a.m. and a new 1-hour candle forms. So let me make that a little bigger. Oh, it's too big. Okay. So these are 1-hour candles, guys, in case you're wondering. Alrighty. So purple line, in case you don't know, purple line is VWAP. EMA 50 is the green line. EMA 21 is the blue line. EMA 200 is the gold line, if you can see it there. All right. And then this line right here, this little wiggly, this is super trend. It kind of tells you more or less where the trend is going on that time frame. As you can see on the time frame of the hour, it is here. That is a trend going upwards. And on, well, it did switch here. When it started going up, it broke it here. And now it's breaking it again. So it's a little erratic on the 5-minute time frame here. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to write it in the chat. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. You could say good morning. You could say what's up. I promise I don't bite. Unless you guys are asleep, then, you know, that's cool too. You better wake up though. Market's gonna open now. We looked at the news, but apparently they took the news off, in case you missed it. Since the government is partially shut down, they haven't voted on anything yet, which we gotta be aware, because if they do vote for it to open up again, there could be a violent movement. So be on point. But yeah, Tuesday there was a red folder. I don't even remember what time it was at, but you gotta be careful. I think it was this one here, maybe tentative. Maybe, I don't know. No, it can't be that one. It's not that one. But yeah. See, good morning. Good morning. Hope you're staying nice and warm. It's like 40 something degrees over here. I'm sure it's even colder over there. I'm sure it's colder over there. I don't turn the heater on in my house or nothing. I just, let it ride. My house was at 50, 57 degrees inside the house. My AC can't even bring it down that cold. Freezing? Yeah, I know. Hopefully, I think this is the last day, right? This is the last day of the Greenland strike of the cold weather. They got us good. They're like, oh, you want Greenland? Okay, let's give them a taste. Your house is cold too? Yeah, yeah. No, I don't even think the heater works on my HVAC, to be honest. It'd take forever. I'd rather turn the oven on and just leave the door open. I think that'll heat the house faster, to be honest. Just bake the house. Oh man. There are a few houses in Miami, really old houses. Yeah, no, I've never turned the heat on. Yeah, it might go on fire or something. There are some old houses that do have chimneys in Miami, which is wild. I'm sure those people are like, oh, wow, maybe we could use this today. There's not many left, though. Not many left of those chimney houses. Insurance companies hate them. They hate insuring those houses. They want to see it closed. They don't want to see you using that chimney for nothing. The fire hazard. Yeah, you never turn the heat on? Yeah, no, me neither. I don't think it works. I've turned it on before and it takes way too long to heat up. I don't know. Oh, let me get my I always forget to. My bad. My bad. There it is. I gotta get my sound effects going. Okay. I gotta do my. Oh man. I gotta have that ready, just in case. No, we're gonna have a good day. We're gonna have a good day. We're gonna hit a banger again. Hopefully. Let's see. We're gonna get
another one.
And then we're gonna get
another one.
We're gonna try at least. Again, I don't trade the first 5-minute candle that opens for the New York Stock Exchange. There's traders that do it, but for me that's like complete gambling. Just because you don't have the full direction of what the market wants to do yet. It's figuring that out. It just opened, So for me, that's like playing roulette, like all on black or all on red. You might as well go to the Hard Rock. All right, ATR is at 15. I think yesterday it was like at 20 already. So a little slower than yesterday so far, but it could pick up really fast. We'll see, we'll see. Crazy, we had a red folder on Monday. No red folder now on Tuesday. We had one scheduled, and now it's gone because of the government shutdown. Oh, that's my alarm. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. 5 minutos. All right. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, the 4-hour candle still looking pretty undecided. And ES is kind of dumping. I mean, it's hesitating now, but it's in a downtrend. And obviously, we got NQ in a downtrend, a small little downtrend on the 5-minute. It is down here too on the 1-hour. It looks like it's trying to go up. Wick. Let's see. Yeah, I can see a little wick there, wick there. So it's trying to go up, but it's being rejected. I want to go lower. Remember, we have a London low right here. I want to take that out before it goes higher. Who knows? Who knows? We'll find out in a minute or a few minutes. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Put something a little more chill, man. It's too cold for this hypeness. Or should I start putting Valentine's music because it's getting closer to Valentine's, right? Let's see. Let's put a little Valentine music. Hey, there we go. Now we're getting all romantic, guys. I don't know. It just kind of reminds me of Ratatouille a little bit. A little bit. Disney movies. All right, so we'll leave the Valentine's kind of music on, the romantic music. We need the love. We need the love so we can win. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. That's my jam, bro. That's my jam. Beautiful. Run it back. Run it back. I better start go getting your Valentine's gifts. They've had that up since like last year at the stores. No excuse. No excuse. All right. Let's get serious, all right? Let's get serious. Let's get serious. Market's about to open, guys. We got 30 seconds. New York Stock Exchange is about to open. Are y'all ready? 24. Here we go. 15 seconds. Let's see. This is going to rip down. It's going to go straight to the bottom. And we're off to the races. All right. Market's open. Market's open. Oh, yep. A massive sweep there. Okay. Okay. It's going down. Is it going to come down all the way down here? I told you this shit was going to dump, but you saw how quick it wicked up? This candle right here, it's hitting the London low, guys. It's under London. It just swept the London lows. Now let's see if it completely, oof. If this closes green, this is going to the moon. But we need to get above here. We need to get to 25,980 and have it close up here if we want to see some nice bullish We need to get above VWAP, guys. Above VWAP. Above VWAP. Let me make this slightly bigger. Okay, it's hard to see. Alrighty. Woof. Massive sweep. Massive sweep. Now it's trying to go up. Got rejected. Coming right back down. Super undecided. as usual. You see, everybody who would have taken this short, if you didn't close it here, whoop. You want to know how big this candle is, guys? Okay, that's not that big. It's about 40, about 48. But still, that's pretty big for anybody who's doing a lot of contracts and getting bigger. So yeah, 48 points. Oh, whoa, it's dumping. 64 points. I keep measuring it. And it keeps going. It keeps going, guys. Is it going to come down here? Fill these imbalances? I told you, I was like, yeah, I think it wants to come down here, maybe retest this and then go up. Or come all the way down here. Who knows? My bad. Or come all the way down here and fill all these imbalances. How big is this candle already? 76 points. It looks big, but it's not that big. ATR is at 16 currently. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. That is a 76 point candle. Yesterday, I think it was like 90 or 100 points, and it looks smaller than that. So crazy. It really depends on how you have the screen set up, you know. Yeah, might want to come fill these gaps here or these imbalances and wants to retap EMA 50. There is a slight little green imbalance right there. Might want to fill that. Let's see what happens. This is hopefully we can catch it at the right moment, right? That's the key. Catch the move at the right moment. On the 15-minute time frame, it looks like it filled an imbalance on the 15, you know. But we gotta wait. That candle, the 15-minute candle closes in 11 minutes. So we got the 4-hour time frame into dumping. Let's see. It's not dumping on ES though, guys. It's going down, but it's not as big as NQ. So okay, we just swept Asia low, I believe. That was Asia low. Yeah, that was Asia low. So we swept. We got under London low, Asia low, and it keeps going. It's coming down for these imbalances here. Let me see how big this candle is. Whoa, that shit is going to hell right now. 114 points. Now that's a big candle, guys. That's a big candle. Candela. Alrighty. Man, if you would have gone short, if you just would have got generational wealth right there. I'm going short. Whoop. There's no it's hard, hard to know. Hard to really know. And you got to prepare for those crazy swings. Okay. It just tapped EMA 50 on the 1 hour. So it had a little reaction, obviously, closed up here. Might want to come down and tap EMA 200, maybe fill this gap. But so far, if it gets under this here and it closes here, we just got to be careful. Let's see how it reacts here. All right, let me take this out of here. So we know it was a 114 point candle, the first 5-minute candle. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. It swept London low and Asia low. So it took those two liquidity pools of untapped liquidity. All right, let me see. I'm sorry, I didn't even look at ATR. ATR is at 22 now since the new candle opened. So it is going up very, very fast. Very fast. Let's see. Looking at my other time frames, it looks like ES is struggling to go lower. ES is actually a green candle right now. How about them apples? That's why we're not seeing a massive dump. It's stopping NQ from going lower. And it looks like on the 15-minute time frame, it did tap the 200 EMA on the 15. So that could be the little bounce you're seeing. Okay, ES is now a doji, might be turning into a hammer, so it might want to be going lower. It's still undecided though. Still undecided. Interesting. Looks like the Bears, the Bulls, they're fighting. They're fighting hard right here. They're fighting to control this. Is it a panic sale? We will see. All right, we got the first 5 minute, and we're waiting for the next 5 minute, and then we got 5 more minutes. Patience, guys. Patience. Let's wait. Wait for the best move possible. I don't trade the 5-minute orb. I trade the 15-minute orb. I know. I feel like sometimes it's running away without us, but you got to just stay patient. Yeah, it looks like it might want to fill these gaps. It has this 1 hour little imbalance right here. If you definitely likes to fill those little things. Slight little imbalance, as you can see right there. Might want to fill that. We'll see. Which we got this on the 5-minute. And then we have the 4 hour has a massive imbalance. So yeah, I'm thinking it definitely wants to go lower. Definitely wants to go lower. Okay, there it goes. It's dumping. Oh my goodness. It's dumping. It's definitely going to want to fill these things, I think. Definitely want to fill this. It's reacting now to EMA 200. So that's the bounce you're seeing. That is the bounce. Hmm. Any other imbalances down here? Oh yeah. A few imbalances down here, guys. I mean, you think it's gonna retrace this whole damn move? I think it'll bounce here. Look, there's a bounce here. Yeah, I think it'll bounce here. I don't know. Maybe it keeps ripping, you know? But it did bounce here before. Right here and then ripped. So we're at that zone again. Let's look back a little bit. Look, you see there was some bouncing around here. Yep, now it's coming for that gap though. It's coming for that gap. All right, we got about 5 more minutes until the next candle forms, which is gonna form. This is gonna finish now. There it goes. And then we set the orb, guys. And then we wait. We wait for a good setup. Clearly looking for some sort of short at this moment. Every time frame is going down, but you don't want to get popped on a pullback. So let's see. Oh, come on. It went all the way here and it didn't fill these little gaps. That's crazy. Or this 1 hour. Nah, I think it's going to get down there. I don't know. I mean, it's reacting pretty strong to the EMA 200 here. It's a little crazy. These swings, man. These swings are high. How big was this candle? That was an 84-point candle, guys. That was the second candle. The first one was 114 points. The second candle is 84 points. And ATR is at 37. That's decent. I'm sorry, did I say 27? 27 on the 5-minute time frame. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Filled it. Filled it. It wanted that, bro. It wanted that. It wanted that. It wants this one too, I think. Or it might be happy with that. I don't know. It definitely filled it on the 4 hour. So this is a key level to see if it keeps ripping down or it finally bounces because it fixed that imbalance. It might not care about fixing this one just yet. We'll see. Wow. No way it didn't fill this little gap. That's pretty crazy. All right, get ready to set the 15-minute orb. I'm going to set it up here. I might have to change it, but I'm going to do region today. All right. We'll adjust it as it moves down, or if it doesn't move down, we'll see. But that's where it's at right now. We have about 2 minutes and 40 seconds until that finishes forming, and I probably got to fix it because it looks like it's going lower. Oh yeah, I gotta fix it. All right, so we'll wait till that closes down, then I'll fix it. I'll start setting it up on this end. All right, and it's currently right there. 2 minutes still. Let's set it up on my other screen here. I also set the orb for the ES just to get other confluences, you know, if they both break out at the same time, increases your chances of winning, you know. All right, so we got 935. Oh, holy shit, what the hell is that? Whoa, whoa, that was crazy. Wow. Did you guys see that shit? I'm telling you, when the government shuts down, this shit gets wild. Man, if you were in a short in there, you're probably like, yes, yes. They probably ripped through their take profit. Wow. Crazy. That thing went from like hovering here to rip down. This is bigger than that one. So this was like 100 points. That was intense. Alrighty. That was a crazy rip. Look at this shit. Holy shit. Look at the 15-minute time frame. If you have it up, major rip to the downside. All right, 40 seconds and the 15-minute orb is set. Obviously, I got to fix this. All right. How big is the opening range so far? Unless it does another ripper. Wow. That's crazy. Ruler. There you go. 231 point open range. That is crazy. 231 point open range. That's a big ass range. Let's hopefully opening range. Let's hope that it doesn't hang in there all damn day. Damn. Look at this. And it didn't tap the damn imbalance on the 1 hour, which is crazy. It might still want to come down here and get some of this because it went so low, and to not fill it, those orders are like just like, yo, come on. Yep. We got a pivot and some imbalances here. So we got to be careful because there hasn't been a pullback up, and you don't want to be the one that gets pulled back up. So this is a good. If these candles close green and then it breaks down again, that's pretty good. We do want to see something like that. We want to see some sort of pullback to the upside, retest some levels, make sure they're valid, or completely V-shaped recovery. We want to see something. We can't just chase this like how we you can't do that. I mean, you can, but I don't do that. I don't do that. Crazy. I like if it comes all the way back up here, green, retest maybe this imbalance on the 5 minute, or maybe like up to here, and then we get another push down. Vamos a ver. Gotta see what it does. Gotta stay patient, guys. Gotta stay patient. No chasing. No chasing. Remember, what pays is patience. Well, this market just literally went to shit here. I mean, it needed to do this to go higher, right? The market needs to pull back to go higher. Grab liquidity, grab money, take out some orders to then go higher. That is how market structure works. Swing low, swing high, swing low, lower. I'm sorry. Yeah, lower high, higher high. All right. That's good to see, sort of. Let's see if we get a green candle here, maybe another green candle, and then a break. We gotta be careful if it does break on top. Super green giant on ES right now. ES is pumping. The green candle is currently engulfing the red candle previously to it. So it's like up here in green on ES. Interesting. You see, sometimes you get a little insight by looking at the other and see how the other ones are working. And might want to see what NQ is doing. All right, let's go. Yep, NQ and ES are going up now. $9.45. Let me fix this. There we go. But that was a massive, massive opening range. 213 points. That's crazy. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed already, definitely hit the like button. All right. 950. Yeah, let's see. So it's retesting, as we can see, kind of retesting EMA 200. It's back. Prices wicked back up to retest that level. It could open up, retest a little bit, and go down, or it could completely reverse and do a massive reversal. Let's see. But this is a good thing. This is a very good candle to see. Now, if it comes down and breaks here, hopefully it breaks around here, not all the way down here. You don't want it to break too much because then it pulls back hard. But if it breaks around here, might be looking for the short, just so you know. Yeah. Let's see what happens. No wick on this 5-minute candle to the upside, so that's a little weird. ATR is at 36. ATR is at 36. Yeah, 36.39 on the 5-minute time frame. So yeah, volatility is getting bigger. So just be careful what you risk. Risk at your discretion. This is not financial advice. All right. Okay. Is it going to rip down now? Is it going to break out? Is it going to break out? All I need is 50 points, guys. That's all I need. I don't know. All I need is 50 points. Is that too much? It's been doing 200, 100-point candles. What's 50 points? 36.39. Current ATR. All right. Yeah, it looks like it's struggling to break down. So this might flip and be another green candle. We'll see. We gotta wait until it tells us what. I'm not looking for any longs until we get above here or like break out. Maybe until we break out, to be honest, or at least get above and completely inverse this imbalance right here. But I think the selling pressure is pretty strong. Clearly, look at the 1 hour. Look at the 4 hour. Look at the 15-minute. I think the only one that's kind of working against it is ES right now, and that's why it's struggling to go lower. We'll find out which one's stronger. Let's see who's going to be the leader. Guys, just a reminder that my live feed is about 15-20 second delay. So keep that in mind. When I take a position, I've already taken it probably 20 seconds before you saw me take it. So again, trade at your own risk. All right. Is it going to chop all day inside the opening range? It's another possibility. It could after this massive move, just going to go nowhere and just chop in here and just wreck everybody. That's also a strong possibility. But I hope not. I hope that it rips and closes here maybe. ES is dumping. That's a good sign. ES is going down. And if ES breaks and NQ breaks, I'm definitely taking a short. Stay tuned. This could be quick, guys. You got to be on point. Wait for that break. If it breaks here, take it short. That's my opinion. Not a financial advice. You don't have to take anything. Okay, yeah. Uh, uh. It's not breaking, but it's showing a lot of strength on ES.
Order filled.
I'm taking it with one account. I'm taking it with just one account, not copy trading the other damn account. It did break. It did break, and I took it a slight early, which worked in my favor. Let's see if it rips here. We're good. This is just one micro. I didn't copy trade my other accounts, so I might look for another trade. Maybe, maybe not, or just hit this and be done. Okay. Yeah, it kind of broke out, guys. I mean, so it looks like it wants to go lower. It looks like it wants to go lower. Let's go. I'm happy with 120. I'm happy with 120. Took the short here. It is pushing down on all the time frames, as you can see, and it slightly broke out. Not a strong breakout, but It's showing a huge engulfing red candle here. Okay, yeah, we can't lose. I'm up at least at break even. So if it comes back, hits my break even, it is what it is. But we're up 73, 74, 80. All right, there we go. There we go. Let's go. Oh no, don't reverse. Don't reverse. If it reverses and taps my stop loss, takes me out at $27. We wanted to hit the 120. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Get down there. Come on. Come on. I'm not gonna close it early. Or I'm gonna try not to. Come on. Come on. Get the 120, damn it. Get it.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go. All right. Hopefully you guys got that short. Nice. All right. So yeah, I didn't take it with the other accounts. Only took it with. Oh wow. I thought I took it with the other account. So now we're. Oh, I thought I took it with this one. Whatever. I hit 100 on that. Bro, this is what happens when you're half asleep in the morning. I took it on the other account. That's fine. It doesn't matter. So we're up 200 on the week with that account. And it's continuing to dump, guys. So you guys could trail it whatever you want. Just be careful. There's a pivot right here. How about them apples, guys? That was quick. That was pretty quick. $108. Yeah, I'm actually meant to take it with this account because this account I haven't traded this week. Obviously, it's Tuesday. I did this one yesterday, but I did it with this one by mistake because they're so similar. They start with PA. I got confused. Uh, yeah. ATR is at 39. I hope you guys took that short. If you did, you are up. You are up beautifully right now. But yeah, I mean, it was kind of telling me I wanted to go down. Like another engulfing red candle broke out slightly. Lots of strength. Every candle red. You know, guys, basic trading, man. If everything is telling you one thing, your probability is high that it's going in that direction. You just have to be quick on the trigger. You got to be quick on the trigger, guys. So, hey, listen, I'm happy. I hit 108. I didn't take any trade with the eval. I wish I did, but obviously I'm eating shit and I wasn't even on the right account. I was supposed to be on this one, which is the 7, and this one's 8. Uh, Whatever, guys. Look at me complaining because I made $100 in less than 5 minutes. And this thing is going down to Chinatown, guys. Look at this shit. It keeps dumping. Took my trade here, took 50 points, and this shit is gone over 100 points already. Holy moly. Who else took the short with me? Come on. Who else took the short? 10 o'clock candle about to open. Be careful. 10 o'clock candle is the new 4-hour candle, new 1-hour candle. Be careful. Okay. Let's see if it wants to go lower or it's going to rip back up. Be careful. Make sure you're trailing your stop. Was I too quick on the trigger today? I'm sorry if I was, but that's the thing about trading. You gotta be quick out here. You gotta be on point. At any moment, this thing goes, what? Oh, it's going lower. Oh, it's going lower. Generational wealth. Why did I close it? Oh man, it's just no way. You gotta be happy and content with what you get, guys. You gotta be happy. Um, let's go. Let's go, guys. I hope you guys took that short with me there. Made 50 points or made more. That was Basic trading right there, man. Pop, pullback, break, short. Come on. Imbalance filled. Like, the only thing that was concerning me, like always, is this little pivot here, and that's another reason why I kind of closed it early. Um, I didn't want it to hit the pivot and bounce. I've seen that happen before. But yeah, look, how many points could I have gotten? Shoulda, coulda, woulda, David. All right, I took this. I was like super early on that short. Not super early, but pretty early. 139 points, and I only made about 50, yeah. Wait, let's see. Yeah, about 55 points, 54 points, whatever, from my entry. Oops, 52 points, whatever. 50 something points. I'm good with that, man. I'm good. Did y'all take the trade or what? Tell me. Are you guys still in it? Or do you guys take profit? Yeah, you're done for the day. And it keeps dumping. This was the move to get in, guys. This was it. It didn't give you another opportunity. If you didn't catch this, you messed up. I mean, even if you caught it around here, you'd still be good. Even if you caught it late because of my 20-second delay and you went short down here, you're still good, guys. So, I mean, even if you got into the short a little late after me, let's say 5 seconds, 20 seconds, you're still good. You're Gucci. But if you didn't take it because you missed the exact moment I went in, and you didn't take it, I'm sorry. Uh, how about that? All right, so how are we doing? So far for the week, 2 wins. Let's go. $108 today. Well, 110 minus the fees, 108. Let's go. 206. And yeah, I wasn't copy trade. Oh my God, almost died. I wasn't copy trading the damn eval. I did not copy trade the damn eval, which I need to copy, bro. Oh my God. What a fail there, but and I actually took the trade on the wrong account. I should have taken it on this account that I haven't traded today, and I risked the $100 that I made yesterday. But it was a good trade. Uh, so now we're up 200 on that one. This account, yeah, there's still plenty of room. That's the brand new funded account that I got like a week ago that I passed the eval while you guys were watching. So whatever, we're slowly getting yeah, look at this. It just kind of filled most of the imbalance. Is it going to keep going lower or is it going to V-shape recovery up now? I don't know. Uh, Listen, I'm happy. I'm green. I'm done. I hope you guys are green too. This is gonna be a short stream. Oh, not that short. I mean, I've been on. Okay, I've been on since 9 o'clock. So, oh man. All right. So let me take this off so we don't confuse anything. All right, it's going up now. You didn't catch the short here. This was beautiful. Look how 100 and something, 139 points from my entry down. Even if you were late on the short, let's say you took it here and you're like, oh my God, I missed it. Uh, it went way more than 50 points, so you're good. All right. So thank you guys. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the like button. You saw how I did it. You saw my entry. You saw my exit. You saw my patience. You saw my discipline while the market was dumping. You waited. I waited until I saw a good confluence. What was the confluence, David? Again, engulfing after a pullback. We wanted to see a pullback. Perfect. It broke orb and it engulfed this green candle with strong bearish momentum. Took the short maybe a few seconds before it closed. I knew that it had a lot of strength. It went down over 139 points and it keeps going down right now. I took my 50 points because that's my target. Simple. I see a bearish candle here. I see more imbalance of price that it wants to balance. It's going lower. It's even going lower right now, guys. Insane. Could go 200, could go 300 points. Who knows? You have to be content with what you get. Um, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys again tomorrow, 9 a.m. So we could catch another great move. We started this week off strong. We hit another banger today. A green day, beautiful, $108 on the funded account, or whatever you guys have. Slow base hits, guys. Slow base hits, consistency. You'll get to the goal that you want. Trust me, that's the best way to do it. Um, Thank you for trading with David. 305, the NASDAQ from Miami, Florida. And see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Appreciate it. See you tomorrow.